Hi everyone, I'm that sociology teacher, and today we're talking about a key figure in the history of sociology, Auguste Comte, often called the father of sociology. Comte lived in the early 1800s in France, a time of massive social change. Think about it. Revolutions, industrialization, urban growth, and new political systems were transforming society faster than people could understand it. Comte wanted to make sense of all this change, and he realized we needed a scientific way to study society. Comte believed that human society followed certain laws, just like the laws of physics or biology. He thought that by studying society scientifically, we could understand how it works and even improve it. That's why he coined the term sociology, combining the Latin word for society, socius, with the Greek word for study, logos. In other words, sociology is literally the study of society. One of Comte's big ideas was the law of three stages, which is actually pretty relatable if you think about the way people explain the world. He said that societies and human thought progress through three stages. One, the theological stage, where people explain things through gods or spirits. Imagine someone thinking a thunderstorm happened because a god was angry. Two, the metaphysical stage, where abstract ideas or forces are used to explain things, like saying it's just nature or fate. And three, the scientific or positive stage, where observation, data, and experiments guide understanding, basically the approach we use in modern science. Comte believed society had moved, or should move, towards this scientific stage, where sociologists could study social behavior, patterns, and institutions to understand how societies function and how to solve social problems. He thought that knowledge based on observation and evidence would be the key to progress, just like it had been for physics and chemistry. Here's why it's relatable today. Think about all the social rules and norms we follow without even realizing it. How we behave at school, online, or with friends. Comte's big idea was that there's a structure behind all this behavior, and sociology helps us to see it. By studying patterns, we can understand why people act the way they do and how society can improve. Comte also believed sociology had a purpose beyond just understanding society. It could help guide social reform. He thought if we could uncover the laws of society, we could solve problems like poverty, crime, and inequality. In that sense, he saw sociology not just as an academic subject, but as a tool for creating a better world. So to sum up, Auguste Comte gave us the word sociology, argued that society could be studied scientifically, introduced the law of three stages, and saw sociology as a way to understand and improve the world. Without Comte, we might not have even thought of studying society the way we do today. Next time you're looking at social media trends, school rules, or even why your friend group acts the way it does, remember Comte's big idea. There are patterns and laws behind human behavior, and sociology helps us see them. Thanks for watching. Check out the link below for a short activity where students research a historical sociologist and design a paper doll that visually represents the person's life, ideas, and contributions to sociology. The final product combines written research with a creative model that connects sociological theory to real-world issues.